This is the quickest way to create this cool gradient background in After Effects. Start by selecting the ellipse tool and drawing a circle. Select the shape layer and press P to open the position property. Now hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows and click the position stopwatch. In the expression box, type wiggle and in brackets 1,50 and then close bracket. This will make the circle slowly move around the screen. Now copy the shape layer and paste multiple circles around the composition until most of the frame is filled. Next, select each circle and change the color. Once you're done placing and coloring the circles, head down to the timeline, right-click, go to New, and create an adjustment layer. Go to the Effects panel, search for Gaussian blur, and drag it onto the adjustment layer. Increase the blurriness to around 600. Then go back to the Effects panel and search for Glow, and drag that onto the adjustment layer as well. Set the glow radius to around 600 to make the colors spread even more. If you want to add a bit of texture, apply noise to the adjustment layer and set the amount to about 8%.